The HDR scholarship is currently open for applications to study at Deakin University, which is in Australia. So you need to understand that this is a research degree. So, like for example, if you're going to do masters, it's going to be masters by research or PhD. So, if you want to do a taught masters, this scholarship is not for you because it's a research scholarship. So, I need you to understand that before you start the application process. You need to understand what you are getting yourself into. So, if you are ready for a research degree, then let's continue with the video. So the deadline is 6 October for you to have submitted your application. You need to apply for admission to Deakin University. You can click where it says how to apply for a research degree and find out more about how you can apply for a research degree. For this particular video, we are focusing on the scholarship. I've put the official link to the scholarship in the video description. You can check the link there. You access the page that I'm currently explaining to you. And also remember to join my Patreon through the link in the video description as well so that you can get fast updates. Remember to download the app as well so that you don't miss any scholarship updates that I don't put on YouTube. These are the benefits and duration of the scholarship. You're going to get a stipend per annum. You can calculate how much that will be per month. You also get a relocation allowance from 500 Australian dollars to 1,500 for single to family. And also for international students like you get health cover. So if you are doing PhD, a doctoral degree, it's 3 years. If you are doing it for 3 years, you will get a stipend for that 3 years and 4 years for the tuition offset. And then for a research master's degree, it's 2 years and you get a stipend for that period. So PhD 2 years and PhD 3 years, master's 2 years. And then eligibility criteria. Let's see if you are suitable for this scholarship. First of all, you need to be enrolled in an HDR course at Deakin University. You need to go find a course, a research degree there, and apply. You should not be in a scholarship currently for you to receive the award, this award. And you should not be receiving any income in your country for you to be able to benefit from this, from what this scholarship is offering. Like I said, you need to check a separate website for the university where you can find out more information about admission, how you can apply and for the course there. Yeah, and if you are interested, if you are curious and want to know more about the scholarship, the terms and conditions, you can just click here and access the information there. Then the selection process, it's important for you to understand the selection process so that you can position yourself to be that particular candidate they are looking for, or to prepare your application to be suitable for to be selected. You understand? So obviously, it's a competitive process like any other scholarship, but you need to bring your best when you are submitting your application. You should have completed at least 4 years of tertiary education studies. So your degree, like for example, if you are applying for masters, your degree should have been 4 years. Obviously, when you're applying for PhD, you probably did your degree 4 years and then masters 1 year or 2 years, depending on where you did your masters. And you should also have achieved 80% in the research or equivalent in the research component of your previous study. This means that you should have had a research component, like some kind of a module, a research module that you took, and that module you should have gotten 80%. Maybe there was a research, like for example, maybe for your master's you did a dissertation. For that dissertation, you should have gotten at least 80%. So that's what it means. Or even for your undergraduate, if you did your dissertation, something like that, you should have like some kind of a research component that you did. And also they will take account into your previous study, your relevant work experience to the program that you are applying for, and research publications. If you have any publications, you've published some articles, this will also be considered. And also any other research experience. Maybe you participated in a project that was conducting research, that will also be taken into consideration. But make sure that you capture that in your application. And then this one also goes back to the degree. You need to meet the minimum entry requirements for whatever degree that you will be applying for. I guess it would depend on whether it's a master's or PhD and what program you are applying for. This one talks about those who are already students there. I believe by you watching this video, you are not yet a student there, but you are in the process of applying to become a student at this university and also get the scholarship. So once you are ready, you need to go to the prospective student. You are a prospective student. You are not a current student. So you can click here to learn more on how to submit an application, a successful application, so that you can be selected for this scholarship. So remember, I also offer one-on-one private mentorship. If you feel overwhelmed by the application process and you need guidance, you need me to support you, to guide you, to show you the way, to review your essays, and also to check your applications before you submit, please do sign up for my private mentorship. The link is also in the video description. All the best with your application.